This industrial sewing machine has an automatic thread cutter that can make sewing more efficient. On this machine, the thread cutter is located near the bottom and the feed dogs, underneath the machine. Not all machines have a thread cutter. To engage your thread cutter, we'll push the thread cutter button. You'll place your material under your needle, hold the leading threads, and start sewing. Backstitch a couple, continue sewing. Once you get to the end of your sewing run, you want to get in the habit of backstitching and heeling down on the foot pedal hard to engage the thread cutters. Then you'll pull the top thread away from the needle to start sewing again. The thread cutter will need to be maintained to keep it sharp and functioning well. This can be done by a mechanic or a sewing machine repair person.